how to get unbanned on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm simply going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can basically get unbanned on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to get unbanned on TikTok, the process is very much simple. The first thing you have to understand is why did TikTok ban you in the first place. Now TikTok normally bans a specific account when they notice some kind of spammy behavior from the specific account. So keeping that thing in mind, if you'd like to actually go ahead and then disable those account features and then actually make your account re-enabling it again, what you want to do is the very first thing you can do is simply open up the TikTok application here. Once you open the TikTok application, what happens over here is that you can simply choose to use a VPN. So if your account is blocked, then what I would recommend you do is simply open up your Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, you can simply search for any of the VPN applications that you can find here. Once you search for any VPN applications, you should be able to install a specific one. The reason I'm telling you to use a VPN is because VPN is going to change the IP address, and sometimes when TikTok has limited the IP address from accessing the server, changing your IP address will most likely do the work for you. Or sometimes you can also just try to go ahead and then turn on mobile data. Now once you've done that, there are also a couple of other things that you can do, and that is that you can simply open up your Play Store and then search for the TikTok application. Make sure that it is updated to the latest version as well, because sometimes that is also going to help you solve the problem. But to give you a basic idea, this is how you can do it. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.